Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to grind concrete floor with 4D laser level and concrete grinder, so it's really easy. 4D laser level has a bottom transmitter with a laser line which is 1/4 inch up from the ground floor, so you have to find the spot which is 1/4 inch lower than you need it. And then when you turn laser on, you can see all imperfection. So all the things what I'm doing now for grinder, if your dash route is not really new and dust coming out from the brush, just use duct tape, put it around, and you will be protected completely. So dust will be all collected in cyclone and vacuum. Okay, go ahead. When you finish, tape around your dust shroud. Now we can grind. So you see, when you start grinding, if you cut off hump, it's not visible like green spot, and when you cut it off, if you have some behind another hump, you can see one more green spot, and just follow and you will make it flat all this place. So just have a look how it's easy. I'm find this idea just a few days ago, before I get little different, so I hope it will help you too with your some hard jobs. Just keep in your mind and have a look how it's going. I did it in wood frame and apartment building, and this is soft concrete, and this soft concrete very hard to grind, because when you start grinding, going down, so fast. So make flat, it's really trouble. What I did just I put very thin coat of sulfur compound over, and it make the surface more hard, and then I start grinding. You see the dark spots with sulfur compound left, light spot. This is the soft concrete. Why there is so many humps? Because before here was tile, and then when you guys removed this tile, they left mortar, and mortar was really not even, and how to remove it faster and make it more flat, I use this idea. So I hope it will help you in next your project. Here you see a result. What when I finish this grinding, you see how it's nice and flat. So all humps was grinded without any problem. So I hope it will help you in your future projects. Just keep in your mind. If you have any question, just don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks for watching, and see you on next video.